We are on the road to 100. Subscribe now to become one of the OG 100 G's. Let's get it. Let's run it up. Let's go. What's up, you guys? It's your boy KPJ, aka 808 Maru, and I'm back with another video. I am happily finished with my second semester, so can we please destroy the comment section with second semester down? Please, please, please. I will appreciate it so much. And also, bad hair day, so you already know I had to pull out my girlfriend's grandpa hat. Fuck with it. Like, I've never really been a hat person because my head is big and my hair is bigger, so it is what it is. But today I'm bringing a Lil Uzi and Cochise type beat, and I'm gonna try to have a little commentary over it, so it's not just, you know, trying to add a little flair blitz to the content, little something. Also, I'm going to start a second channel for my programming discussions and just going over what I've learned so far, because I know it will not do well on this channel, because this channel is strictly music. I'm trying to add this and be a music community other than the programming community. So if you're interested, you know, always check the description, and I will try to make sure I have adequate updates for when it's actually needed. So with all that out the way, let's get right into this beat. So the first thing I like to start out with in my beats, always is a nice chord progression. And I just played out a simple chord here. I believe it's in C sharp. It's in D minor. And then from there, I wanted to make an arpeggio, but I've been away for a while. Like, I'm not gonna hold y'all up. I've been away for a while, so it's kind of I kind of feel like a duck touching water for the first time. So I just use my fun little trick. All I do is put the rate to like 8 or whatever, switch to arpeggio. Then it kind of make whatever chord you have already thrown in your piano roll or DAW into a arpeggio type of melody. So if you struggle with making arpeggios and you just want something that's an arpeggio type of melody, and you're not trying to sit there and particularly place each key, just do this. It's a really amazing feature. And from there, I tried to make a counter melody, and I was just tapping around on my keyboard at the time, just trying to find what sounds or what not worked and what sounds do not work. Alright, so looking back, I would definitely have less in this top melody. I've recently found out about motifs, and just the theory behind a motif is just a simple repeating measure that obviously repeats over several times throughout the song, but it's supposed to be catchy. It's essentially the hook of your beat, but yeah, it's the hook of your beat, but not like, you know, singing, if that makes sense. Now for all that movement I had going on, I wanted to have a nice contrast of what's the word? Just like stagnant chords. The play is just at the beginning of each arpeggiated chord. And for the 808s, I wanted them punchy, snappy, just like traditional like Uzi-esque 808s. Like nothing too much, but like enough to give that bounce and like tension. A great word I love to use is like tug and pull. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but here's the revamp hi-hat. So I always lay down a basic 2-step hi-hat just for like, not bounce, but just to make sure everything is relatively on beat, in sync and whatnot. But then towards the end, I'll go back and redo my entire hi-hats that add more bounce and variation to them. Another little fade away, I found that out a while ago, and I try to put that in like all my beats, like my hi-hat signature. Before we move into the beat showcase, if you enjoyed what you heard and saw, please like and subscribe. It means a whole lot to me. I'm on the road to 100 subs, so if you'd like to join the fam under 100, hey, let's get on this crazy train together and go up. I'm also working on the Discord for collaborations and everything fun under the stars, so keep up on the channel for updates on that. Like I said, so sorry for being gone. My main focus right now is school, and you know how life goes. But thank you for watching up to this point, and hope you enjoy what you hear. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on one of the links up here. Check out more content from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay chillin'. Keep creating.